To fix Windows 11 taskbar not working in HP laptop, let's try basic step first. Save any open work on your PC. Then on your keyboard, press Windows key, then press D as in doctor. Once you are on your desktop screen, then press Alt key on your keyboard. Then press F4 to see shutdown window screen. From here, you need to select Restart. Then click on OK to restart your PC. After restart, check if that helps you to show your taskbar back again. If it's still not working, then press and hold Ctrl, Shift and Escape key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Scroll down. Here you'll see Windows Explorer. If you can't see Windows Explorer in here, then click on Name to see Windows Explorer. Right click and select Restart. Wait a few seconds for the desktop to refresh, then check whether the taskbar is working or not. If it's still not working, then click in taskbar search, type runtime. Here you can see the process, right click and select end task and end this process. And there's one more process you need to search here. Simply type in search. You will see search host or either you'll see search in here. Simply right click on it and select end task. And don't worry about it, Windows will automatically restart the processes and possibly your taskbar will start working again. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.